Hi there, I'm Lexi Tellings, and this is your 5-minute karaoke warm-up so that you can kill it at karaoke. This warm-up is meant to be more similar to the types of warm-ups that professional vocalists do right before they're about to go on stage and sing. With that being said, it is far less discreet. People are definitely gonna notice that you're doing these exercises. So you might want to go find like a nice private, quiet place where you feel comfortable making some crazy faces. Or the much more fun option is to grab a couple of friends who are also performing at karaoke tonight and get ready to have some fun. And yes, the faces are 100% necessary. Any of your favorite singers performing live, I guarantee you will see them make at least one of these faces during their show. That is part of singing. Now, I know your song is up next, so let's get singing. Just follow along and do what I do. We're gonna start off with some nice relaxed sighs. Breathing into the belly, never the chest. Nice and relaxed. One more, just like that. Shake off the stress of the day. Roll your neck around a few times. Relax those throat muscles. Last one. Okay, moving on. Up next are going to be some lip trills. They look and sound just like this. I prefer to push my cheeks in, but you can also just go. With these, I want you to think of yourself as a balloon that has just been blown up with air and let go, and you are just gonna go all the way around the room. Just do that a couple times through your range. We're going to take that onto the keyboard, and it is going to sound just like this. Ready? Okay. Next, we have some NGs. It's called the NG because it sounds like Now I want you to feel like with these, they're super buzzy and you're really getting into the nasal resonator with these. Now you do need to kind of squish up into your nose, just like that. The face is sort of necessary to get up into the nasal cavity. You can also put 2 fingers on each side of your nose to help increase the buzz. And you've seen this face before on some famous singers, I'm sure, making this face on stage. Sometimes you just gotta make the face. Do that a few times through your range. We are gonna take that onto the keyboard, and it's gonna sound just like this. Super relaxed, only buzziness. Ready? Let's go. We're gonna get a little crazier and jump into some Z's. Z, 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 Z. So this is a Z, E, E, Z. It's gonna get super buzzy up in here. So you should make that face Z, 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 Z. Do that a few times through your range. Z, 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 Z. Zero push from the throat. This is all buzzy, all resonance. The throat is doing absolutely nothing right now. Air passing through the vocal cords, hitting the resonators, amplifying, and making sound. Z, 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 Z. We are going to take this onto the keyboard, and it is going to sound just like this. Z, 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 Z. Ready? Okay. Z, 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 Z. 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 sound just like your friend told you something and you said, yeah. So do that a few times through your range. Yeah. Nice big smile, high cheeks. Yeah. And get silly with it, have fun. We're gonna take that onto the keyboard and it's gonna sound just like this. Yeah. Zero push from the throat, nice and relaxed, only buzziness, only resonance. Are you ready? Yeah? Ideally, this warm-up is meant to be done within 10 minutes of going up on stage. However, if there's still a little bit of time left between now and when you're about to go up and sing, you can keep your voice warm by intermittently doing any one of these exercises, of course, probably more quietly along to the melody of whatever song is currently playing out there. Now you are officially ready to go out there and kill it at karaoke. If you want to really kill it at karaoke, reach out to me at contact@lexitellings.com to set up a private one-on-one lesson. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!